This has to be the most fluffy chocolate chips banana cake. Hey besties, you're welcome to today's recipe. Today I will be sharing with you all how I made this fluffy, yummy chocolate chip banana cake. Okay, so you just have to sit with me. Let's dive right in your pan. You have to melt some butter and then go in with your sugar, go in with your eggs, and then go in with your chocolate cream. This is totally optional. I used chocolate cream just to give it that dark chocolate color. Okay, and then we have to go in with the deal of the day, your banana. Mash those banana with some fork, just roughly mash, not too pureed. Okay, just with the same consistency you are seeing on the screen. Okay, go back in with into your wet ingredient, go in with your Greek yogurt, and then give it a whisk. Okay, whisk, not too much, and then you want to sieve in your plain flour. Okay, try as much as possible to always sieve your flour, because this will allow air to penetrate into your flour and then give you a fluffy bake. With whatever you're baking, try to sieve your flour. Okay, this allows air in your flour and makes it fluffy. After I whisk, I went in with my chocolate chip. The secret of the recipe is this chocolate chips. Okay, it's so yummy, it's so moist. And then, so I haven't got this paper muffin pack, you know what I mean. I know I have this oven dish. Okay, it's more like a plate and also as oven dish, it can serve the two. Okay, so I just brought it out, put my baking sheet on it, and then went in. I was meant to use two, but I found that since it's still not going to be enough, why not get rid of the other one and get your baking pan? So I had to introduce the baking pan at this point. Okay, just went in with some of the chocolate chips on top of it and then put them in oven. At 200 degrees, I had to bake for 35 minutes. At intervals, I was checking it. You have to use a stick to put in there, and when you bring it out, if the stick is still wet, it means it's not ready yet, so you have to leave it in for some time. So I did that until the stick is dried. If you dip it in and the stick is dry, then you know your pastry is ready. Okay, so that's what I did to check that, and yeah, playfully, we've made ourselves the most fluffy, yummy, delicious and rich chocolate chip banana cake. This is so moist. Okay, you remember the banana that you just left some chunk in it, you didn't peel it? This is where it plays in. Can you see some of those banana there? This is very healthy. This is nice. You can adjust your sugar level, remember, according to what you can tolerate. This can serve as lunch snack for your kids to school, for yourself at work. This is an all-do recipe. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know in the comment if you will try this. I'll see you all. Bye bye.